Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Syazatul Ikma binti bin Idris as a presenter and others member, which is Nur Hafiza binti Muhammad Zaki as a researcher, Suhani Saina binti Shukri and Nur Shafika binti Muhammad Ghazali as an editor. We are from Group 10. Today, I want to present about our topic, which is professionalism in media social. Of our topic is social media has rapidly become a common method of communication used by professionals from all walks of life. As with all forms of communication, one must be cognizant of the content of the message being disseminated. The use of social media is becoming more widespread in society regardless of race, age, and so on. The social media is used globally. The use of social media such as blogs, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram is not just an empty chat room or just to spend free time, but it is also used to share or find something for a specific purpose. Social media management will symbolize the attitude of an individual. This is so it does not tarnish the bad image. There are various ways that can be done to become a professional social media user. The use of social media is closely related to one's protocol and ethics. How to be professionalism in social media? First is with profile. Someone has to use the real name in the desired social media through real personal biodata. It will facilitate the search by others as well as it will not be confusing, especially to those who run an online business and allow everyone to interact with it. For example, real person biodata is very important to facilitate a job, especially for freelancer. This is also to make it easier for a company to find your data on the internet to offer a job and receive their service. Next, it is also important for businessmen to provide real personal biodata so that there is no suspicion and doubt by customer for other CEO workers. Putting real personal biodata not only to facilitate the job but also to comply with social media usage protocols. Next is profile picture. All available social media needs a profile picture to research an account and complete the platform. Therefore, one should use personal photos on all platforms without using other people's photo as anonymity. However, formal photos are encouraged to avoid the occurrence of unwanted things. Before completing all the personal belongings on social media, one has to choose a profile picture carefully and clearly for others to see. Next is manage time wisely. We need to limit the time to access social media. This is said because we do not need to be active all day, especially during working hours. When using social media without restriction, it will show unprofessional attitude and break the rules while working. Limiting time to access social media will make us focus on the main goals of life only. The use of social media is encouraged for the most important purpose only. This is because if it used without limitation, it will have a negative impact, whether in terms of waste of time, eye problems, and more. One's ethic will influence the use of time for social media. So, this is example of best time for posting on social media for Facebook, and this is for Instagram. Next is make a good vibe. Existing social media should be used as best as possibly by all communities. This is because it not only give advantage but also it will give disadvantage if not used properly. Through the social media available to a person, they need to take care of every statement made. They should not use social media as a place to gossip on and spread negative environments, and they are also prohibited from sharing fake news without solid evidence. This will not only give rise to negative viewers but also lead to online slander. So this is the social media professionalism. Follow these tips to keep your social media profiles and posts in line with the code of social media professionalism. First is be aware is great for building an online presence for yourself. If you plan to keep your posts and comments professionals. Number 2 is make a grammar priority. Many people overlook checking and rechecking grammar when posting on social media. Next is do not do this for your social media. First is don't post inappropriate photos, for example, like this, and you must do like this. Then, don't speak negatively about employers, for example, and this. And lastly is don't be harassing or offensive, like this and this one. So, for the conclusion, social networking sites differ from one another the same way that people have different reasons why they use them. Maintaining professionalism and dignity should not only concern ordinary employees, service-oriented individuals, and businessmen. As a responsible internet user, each of us has the responsibility to present ourselves in the most appropriate manner if we want to be respected. However, it is important to understand the specific characteristic of every site and how to best use them for your professional gain. And thank you.